Hi guys, so I'm back with another video. I'm just pretty much going to be doing a get ready with me. So if you are interested, go ahead and just keep watching. First, we start off by getting a spoolie and brushing my eyebrow hair. Then I grab my brush and I dip it in my Dip Brow pomade in the color chocolate. I just pretty much outline the top and the bottom of my brow and then just fill in any spots that I am missing any hair. I'm going to go ahead and grab my concealer brush with my concealer and just pretty much clean the top and the bottom of my eyebrows. In this section, I grab my Kat Von D foundation and then I grab my beauty blender and I just blend away. In the next section, I grab my Airspun loose face powder in the color Naturally Neutral and just set my whole face with that, and it actually works and sets my whole foundation. It does not move or budge or anything. You can find those at Walmart and Target, I believe, and they normally retail for about $5. In the next section, I go ahead and get my Hoola Benefit bronzer and just bronze my cheeks. Then I get my Becca highlighter and just highlight my whole entire face. I'm just kidding, just my cheeks and my nose. Then for the eyeliner, I use the L'Oreal. I love this eyeliner. It has a felt tip and it works amazing. Then I get to my Anastasia tinted brow gel and I set my brows. Then for mascara, I am using the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. I love it. I've been using this for a very long time and this is my actual go-to. Then for lipstick, I am using Stila in the color Patina. This color just gives me life. Then for eyelashes, I am using the Dodo lashes in the number D105.